Hi, I'm Kimberly, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to set up a carpool with GoKid Connect. Let's get started. From your GoKid home screen, click on the Find Families tab in the top menu. This will take you to map view of your GoKid school's location. Here, you can zoom in, where you'll find your home location, your school's location, as well as nearby families you can start carpooling with. In the list view, parents that live closer by will automatically appear at the top of the list, but we can filter by distance and by grade. To learn more about a family, like the names and grades of their children, simply go to the selected family you're interested in and click See Details. Once you've found some families that match your needs, you're ready to create a carpool. First, click the green circle next to each family you'd like to invite to your carpool. We suggest selecting 2 or 3 families to invite. If you'd like, you can use the chat feature up here to send a message to your selected families before creating the carpool. But if you're ready to proceed, go to the top and click Create Carpool. Next, we'll fill out a few questions. First, we'll give our carpool a name. Now we'll decide where the carpool is going from and to. Typically, it starts with each child's home and goes to a single destination, but you can customize this however you need. So we'll start with kids' home. Next, fill in the address for the carpool's destination. From here, let's set the date and time. If this is going to be a reoccurring ride, you can click Repeat Carpool. Here you can set it to repeat daily, just on weekdays, or weekly on specific days. Make the appropriate selection for your carpool. Then you'll set when this carpool is ending. Click Yes to schedule a returning trip. Click No if this is just a one-way carpool. Now you're ready for the final step. On this screen, you'll see the parents you've already invited from your school's map view. You can add additional parents that you might know by typing in their email addresses here. Once you've selected your invitees, you can create a custom message or just use our pre-filled message from GoKid. This last overview screen, you can check if everything looks good one last time. If all looks good to go, you can press Send Invites. Your carpool is now created and invitations are on their way. As your invitees accept, you'll get notified and everyone will see the carpool in their schedules. Now it's time to volunteer to drive on some days. You can do this by clicking the Drive button on the days that you're available. Don't forget to fill out the information in your profile so that other families can more easily connect with you. And that's it. Your first carpool with GoKid is ready. Happy carpooling!